Paano mag-franchise ng Brownies Unlimited? Teenager pa lang ako, favorite ko na yung Brownies Unlimited. Lalo na yung choco chip. Kasi hindi siya masyado matamis. Recently, napadaan ako sa Brownies Unlimited branch in Makati and I noticed na partner na pala nila yung coffee brand na Illy and they upgraded. Meron na silang Spanish latte, baked mac, meron din silang green tea matcha, between hot and cold, and as well as new flavors ng brownies and mga premium. Isa sila sa mga pinaka-successful and stable na business franchise in the Philippines right now. And you will usually find them inside SM stores. Nag-research ako and I found out that Brownies Unlimited can be franchised. And according to the articles online, they are offering 180,000 pesos na cart franchise fee. So this is 4 square meters ng space and they have a kiosk for 200,000. And kapag gusto mo naman na mas malaki yung space and full counter franchise, the biggest one that they are offering is 240,000. Ang estimated cost para makapagsimula ng isang Brownies Unlimited is around 900,000. Kasi usually, it is much more ideal to situate it inside a shopping mall. So, kapag gusto mong mag-start ng stable na business franchise in the Philippines, around 900 to 2.5 million ang expected na kailangan mo para magkaroon ng isang Brownies Unlimited. Ang maganda kasi sa Brownies Unlimited, they are already established. Very recognizable ang brand and they have been here for 30 years. So marami na silang mga suppliers and a lot of discounts can be availed when you become their franchisee. And meron na rin silang employee training. So, very simple ang products nila. At ang maganda dito, meron na talaga siyang customer base. So, isa siya sa mga pinaka-favorite na pasalubong. Siguro, I think some of the issues lang that you might encounter is because magkakaroon siya ng limited creative control. Kung may mga gusto kang idagdag na sarili mong designs probably sa brownies, I think you have to undergo muna kung anong sasabihin sa'yo ng the rules of Brownies Unlimited. So, you will only know that if mag-i-inquire ka na talaga sa kanila directly and you have to message them at Brownies Unlimited sa info@browniesunlimited.com. You have to provide your contact number and your proposal to them kung saan yung location that you think you want na maitayo itong Brownies Unlimited mo, and their marketing team will be the one to assist you. Of course, make sure to transact with them directly. So, I'm not in any way connected with Brownies Unlimited. I am just helping out because I noticed na ang dami-daming tao na gusto nila maintindihan kung paano makapagnegosyo ng Brownies Unlimited. So, there are so many franchise ideas na gustong i-explore ng mga Filipino. So, what I like about Brownies Unlimited, of course, yun nga yung sabi ko kanina, hindi siya masyado matamis. And of course, every December, they also offer different types of flavors. Meron silang Japan-inspired brownies, meron silang Christmas-inspired brownies, and meron na rin silang brownie a la mode. They are consistently innovating at ang dami-daming brand new ideas na pinapasok nila. And only recently, nag-visit ako sa branch nila sa SM Makati. And I was really happy kasi meron ng masarap na coffee na partner yung brownie. They really took the time to find yung suitable coffee partner na babagay doon sa brownies nila. Kasi minsan merong mismatch, 'di ba? For example na hindi naman bagay nung pastry yung coffee. But itong Brownies Unlimited, makikita mo talaga that proper care was put into it. May research talaga and malalasahan mo yung improvements talaga sa mga product nila. And because of this, bumalik ako na consumer ng Brownies Unlimited. So, there are so many sweets and treats out there na meron ngayon sa mga malls, especially SM, but Brownies Unlimited is particularly close to my heart because talagang tumbok niya kung ano yung gusto ko na lasa. And of course, yung mga traditional brownie recipes nila, the soft, fudgy, and chewy na mga varieties nila is still a very big hit. Kumbaga, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin if you want to become a franchisee of Brownies Unlimited. So yun, thank you for listening and God bless you. And hope that your business will also become successful.